So you've been shipping feature flags for years. You know there's staged rollouts, kill switches, A/B tests. I'll stop, you know the playbook. But have you applied it to your AI stack? Because the teams that have are moving faster, recovering from incidents in seconds, and they're testing models the same way they test features. Let me show you how. Here's the setup. We've got an AI assistant feature flag, and we want to test out a different model and prompt configuration, but we're not rolling it out blind. The same approach you take any feature, except here the flag controls the entire AI stack. Normally, defining a flag variable takes a lot of time because you're manually deciding what to expose and how to structure it. But now we have the variable generator agent within Optimizely. So I'm going to describe the AI feature that I'm building in plain English, and the agent will propose variables for me. Okay, let's review these. It's giving me some suggestions, and I'm going to quick add the ones that I like for this flag, and it is ready. One flag, all the variables quick added, and the whole configuration is set up for this AI feature. No manual setup needed. But now I need some variations. So let's go to the variation generator agent in the variations tab, and I'm going to tell it my experiment goal, like improving task completion rate, and it's going to propose these two configurations to test. I've got GPT-4, Claude 3.5. One is concise prompt and the other is a more conversational one. I'm not measuring benchmark scores here. I'm measuring task completion, conversion rate, and revenue per visitor. So these are the metrics that are going to tell me if my AI is actually working for my product. And if something breaks, like conversion rate drops, I don't have to file a ticket. I can turn this feature flag off within the platform, and the feature is off for every user. So there's no emergency PR and no cross-team scramble. You already know how to ship features safely. AI is the same muscle. There's one feature flag, two agents, the conversational and the concise prompt that we're testing here, and we're going to safely roll this out with confidence the same way we would do with any other feature. Check out the link in the description if you want to go deeper, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more videos like this. Thanks, and see you next time.